everyone. So today I have with me my mum, Glenda, and my dog, Coco. I have this here because I'm wearing shorts, but it's possibly rude, I don't know. We also can only record for 20 minutes, otherwise it stops, I think. But today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of like PO stuff that I got whilst I was on holiday. Some of it I knew I was getting, some of it I didn't. But Mum had no idea what I was getting given. So yeah, and Mum and I often do like FaceTime unboxing, and also Coco normally gets quite involved. So I just thought, yeah, I've not seen anyone else do this. I'm sure there are loads of other people that have done it, but I haven't noticed. So I'm gonna have a go, and Coco's going to clean herself. Okay, I think we should have a go through the teas.
They look good.
Because we already drink Clipper.
Yeah,
don't know that one.
Karma Chameleon. Chamomile, honey bush and cinnamon organic infusion.
Oh, I'd like that. Let's open that. That might smell, oh, it's a bit broken. That might smell Christmassy.
It's got a nice texture on the bottom.
Yeah, it has. Oh yeah, they all have.
Oh,
bag or something. It smells like that.
Oh yeah, lovely. A bit Christmassy.
Oh, it's so Christmassy.
Oh, we like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
That's
I like German Christmas tea. So
yeah,
this will be the same, but it'll make you sleepy.
But the cinnamon, will that wake you up?
I don't know. Oh, it's a bit contradictory.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
I love that. Yeah.
Did you like it, Coco? Yeah, she does.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, actually, this isn't. This is not PO Box. This is a book that I bought for myself. When Life Gives You Lululemons. The person who, Lauren Weisenberger, who wrote Devil Wears Prada. It's her book. So I've got so many books to read, but I will read this one day.
That looks nice.
Is that a nice bit of air? Oh.
What's in the box? That's heavy.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Peel off strip gel starter kit. Is it a waxing kit?
No, it's got nails.
Oh. No. You better do it.
So it's from Sensational, and apparently in here there's a light as well. Oh, USB included. Oh. To make a sort of like gels. Like yeah.
Gel. Oh wow.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
Oh, that's just like getting to the
like actually to the salon.
salon. Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so
that would be good.
Part of it.
You could do a video doing that.
Yes, I should. How to do it, because I think I need to teach myself that. Oh, there's a little nail file in here. Some wet wipes or some sort. A charger. Oh, look, some nail varnishes. Different colours, and that must be the gel setting stuff.
Oh, right. Looks fun.
Sensational!
Ha ha ha. That's upside down. Sensational.
Sensational.
Sensational. That's good, isn't it?
I like that. Yeah. Took me a while to work that out. Okay.
Do you always do them here with the shelf?
I've never done this before. Okay, next.
Okay, let's do this. I love this brand.
Yeah, we've got two here.
Oh, right.
This is Noble Isle.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. I have the hand wash. What have you got?
I've got a hand lotion.
And they're both in tea rose, I think.
Oh, it smells lovely. It doesn't smell like a sort of cheap, nasty rose. It's a really good quality rose. It's lovely.
Yeah, I really, really like that.
You choose now.
Right. Oh, these are from Model Zone. So this is a highlighter. This is pretty. This is a highlighter powder, Sculpt and Glow. I think this, you just brush it all the way around. I love that. That's really, really nice. Yeah,
lovely.
Nice, compact.
So what colour does it come if you go all the way around?
I don't know, just unicorn.
That's very trendy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unicorn.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
No, I just said it.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is Model's Own eyeshadow palette in Blaze. Ooh. Oh, it's a bit broken. Be careful. If you can see here.
Look at those colours.
Like fire.
What would you use the yellow for?
I don't know. See, I'd use all these brownie ones, the copper kind of colours. I'd use those. But these three, I don't know if I could use.
Well,
blending in maybe.
Well, you could if you were doing something sort of wacky.
I've got a Care Bear.
Oh, he's full up with stuff. Hang on a minute. Yeah. Look.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's a little Care Bear in there too. Oh, sorry, Coco. Sorry, Coco, look.
Oh my god.
Who's that?
I love Care Bears.
That's so cute, isn't it?
What do you think of this Care Bear? Do you like him?
Oh, yes.
Oh, you're not meant to eat him?
There you go. Let's put him there.
Oh,
No.
that's so cute. Oh look, there's another Care Bear in here.
All right.
Oh my god, there's a few.
Oh, sort of pooing cat.
Oh,
that's a little
key ring. Do you know, I don't actually have a key ring at the moment. That's really handy.
And look at him. Ta-da!
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Lovely. That's a nice little added extra.
Oh. From.
Oh yes, they were in that envelope when you were away.
More MOR lip macaron.
They look like little macarons.
Yeah, and I love that. They've written it right. Macaron rather than macaron.
Is that how you're supposed to say it?
Macaron, I think, is like this. Yeah, macaron.
Oh, look, actually, when you take the plastic off,
oh my god,
they're even better. They're lovely. They're really sort of
I love them.
old-fashioned feel. Lovely.
The
lip balm.
Lip macaron. Oh, this one's passion flower.
An opal fruit, or what they call that.
Oh, I like this one.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. No, just look. This product is milk chocolate. Oh, it's a bronzer from Too Faced. I've used their bronzers before. I like it. It smells like chocolate.
I have to go so far.
You know those chocolates that
that's amazing.
You know the chocolate that chocolate cookies you had as kids that weren't actually chocolate. They were
the ones
plastic.
in your fake your little girly kitchen.
Oh my god, that is a strong smell of chocolate.
Oh, it really is, isn't it?
You know, like
matte.
Yeah. Oh, it does say
It's got a beautiful texture.
Yeah, I love
really
that.
Lovely.
It's really
That's
nice.
beautiful.
Oh, it shuts nicely as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. It feels really old-fashioned.
Yeah. I like the heart on the front.
How do you open it? Oh, that's beautiful. Really pretty.
Followers.
Doodle-doo.
Oh. Olo Clip Core Lens. So I knew I was being sent this. I've never used it before, but I'm quite excited.
Oh, you should put it on your phone.
Yeah.
To get an even better picture.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So I think it turns your
anyway.
phone into like a proper camera.
That's incredible.
Fisheye, super wide, and macro lens.
What's macro?
Oh, like close up stuff.
Yeah. That's fantastic.
That's so exciting. Oh yeah, love the concept of this. Really excited. So hopefully my pictures will be better.
Even better.
Yeah.
They're really gorgeous. One at a time or?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is Lee Stafford's chopstick styler. I cannot wait to try this. I've never ever used a chopstick styler.
What
So
does that mean? It's very thin?
Yeah, super tight ringlet curls.
Wow.
Probably what my hair was like as a child.
Yeah. Crazy.
Love that. That's so exciting.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's this thing?
That looks funny.
That's a bit of a worry. But I'm sure it's wonderful.
Rainbow Shine Waver. Oh, so that gives more like the curls that I would probably always use anyway. But they look awesome, don't they?
It's incredible.
Oh my god, love
You're going to
that.
have to do a video with those too.
Yeah. Okay, this is the last thing. There you go. From, I don't know if it's Akin or Akin. So, yeah, I'm not really sure.
Okay, don't go to sleep.
She's really not enjoying this, is she?
Oh wow, this is a nice box of goodies.
Message. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thank you, Rebecca.
What have we got in here?
We've got leave-in conditioner.
Oh, cool. I'll need that after being at the beach. Oh, has it got plastic on it? Yeah. Got silver foil on it.
Oh, the packaging looks a little bit more premium, doesn't it? It looks nice. Really lovely.
I know this brand. Why do I already know this
Well,
brand?
they've been in
Big
shops for donkey's years.
Is it a Waitrose as well?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh, this smells nice. It smells quite essential oil like.
Yeah, quite sort of natural.
Yeah.
And
silicone free.
And conditioner and a leave-in conditioner.
Silicone free. So silicone's plastic, right? And that's what people are all saying, like all about all those plastic beads that are in the sea and stuff. So
no beads in these products.
No beads.
Beadless.
And shampoo and conditioner.
Lovely.
Yay!
They're beautiful.
So that's everything.
A whole book here that tells you about rosehip oil.
Oh yeah, we like rosehip oil.
Yeah, we love rosehip.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we've looked through everything.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Ta-da.
So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and make sure you tune in next time and leave a comment to let me know what you think. Bye!